Hello, everyone, and welcome to the session of where we are going to talk about how we can use MS Teams for our education purposes. So I'm making this video for all the new students who are new to Microsoft Teams because throughout our semester we are going to collaborate over Microsoft Teams. So you should know how we can use it on desktop, laptop, and on cell phones because all the important notifications will be uh, propagated over Microsoft Teams. So what you need to do is you need to go to the Google and search for MS Teams. Here is an option from Microsoft that you can download Microsoft Teams for desktop and mobile apps. Click on it. This is for this demonstration is basically for downloading and installing MS Teams for your desktops. So you'd not like to participate and stay in this, and then you can click for download for the desktop. The Microsoft website will automatically detect your operating system, as I have an Apple, so it's going to download the Apple version for it. Okay, so you can download. I'm not going to download it because I have already installed MS Teams in my system. So once you download MS Teams setup, you're going to execute it and install it. It's pretty simple, not rocket science. So after installation, what you're going to do, you need to start your MS Teams, and then you are given with the email addresses and passwords for sign up for sign in. So you need to use another account. Then you're going to have to enter your email address, Muhammad.nadeem@. This is mine. So next. Higher Education Pakistan, the logo becomes here. It represents that the MS Teams and this account that you're going to use for your login with MS Teams is basically provided by the HEC. So it's time for password. You enter a password and then press sign in. Okay, once you're allowed to enter your MS Teams, so this will be the first interface you're gonna see. I already have my teams, that's why these teams are present here. If you're new to the MS Teams, so obviously you don't have any team present here. So you can do two things, whether you can create a team or you can join the team. So being a student right now, I'm assuming you're going to join a team. So here is an option for join or create team. Click on this thing. Not on creating team, you need to join the team. So for joining teams, every instructor provided you with a code. All you need to do is enter a code here, and this button will then become active. You can click on the join team and you will be the part of teams. Now once you are part of a team, for example, if you are a part of team of this programming fundamentals, you will open it and this interface will be present there. So you see here is the home page, and let's see if we have anything in our home page. So the home page has generic information, that who is your educator and what are the recent files which are uploaded. So you can see the recent files, if there is any assignment or any meetup plans, so you can see here. Then there comes the class notebook. If your instructor has set up a class notebook, then you can obviously access to class notebook. For this class, we haven't set up any class notebook. Whenever you will be assigned with the assignments, so all the assignments will be here. So right now we don't have any assignments, so there's no assignment. The important thing is the channel. If you click here, currently we have nothing in our channel, but let's see. Let's start with this one, for example, or not this one. Let's start with my hidden teams. For example, if you have team this, so the home page has the generic information. Okay. Okay, so this is the generic information. All right, how many recent files are there, and then move to the class notebook. I think that the class notebook for these teams isn't available. Coming toward the assignment part, and you see that there are assignment 3, assignment 4, and return assignment, assignment 1 to 5, and for drafts, nothing is in the draft. Coming toward the channel. So the channel will look like this one. Whenever instructor posts an assignment, it's gonna be present in your channel. That the channel basically holds all the current activities. So you can simply log into your MS team and come to the general channel, and you can see what's going on in the teams. So this is how basically the initial level, how you can actually sign in to MS Teams, and then have a little bit of move around to see what are the things here. I'll make another video where I'll explain whenever I post my first assignment there. I'll let you people know that how you can actually access that assignment, and then how you can complete that assignment and upload it back to the MS Teams, and how I personally mark the assignments, and you're gonna get your marks right here in MS Teams. So till then, go around and search more about MS Teams. There are many additional things that we can do with MS Teams. There are many apps you see here. You can integrate the applications here. You can go and search on a Google, watch some tutorials, and yeah, you can play a lot with the MS Teams. Thank you.